What is up, you guys? Say it's me, Harley Quinn, and I'm the host of this Zoom meeting. So, yeah, let's get right started. Okay, so now my Zoom meeting. So, I'm gonna see. Cassandra, come here. Not right now, Harley. I'm taking care of it. I'm making the food. That's right. Make the food. I'm doing the Zoom meeting. Okay. I'm coming soon. She's coming. Now let's go see Black. Now let's go see Romy. Hey Harley, what are you doing? I'm doing the host, and right now Cassandra, she's cooking up the food. Oh, that's good. That is so good. I love it whenever this kid cooks up the food right now. Cooks up food. Yeah. It's under the Zoom, yeah. I mean, I've been doing fine. Right now, I'm just at home, probably watching some TV. Next is off to, two more people joining. It's Huntress and Black Canary. I'll start with Huntress. Hey Huntress, what are you doing? I'm on a walk, Harley. Can you see me walk? You're off on a walk? Yeah. Are you social distancing? Yes, Harley, okay. We're waiting for a couple minutes for people to join in, and then we're gonna start off our topic, okay? Alright. Okay, what? Why are you still staring at me? Sorry, Mary. Hey Harley. You know I'm doing some martial arts. So guess what? What? So I've most likely been practicing. Oh, that's good. Me and Cassandra were just cooking up some food. We're cooking up tacos. That's pretty nice. I hate it whenever this coronavirus enters. Me too. Another person just joined in, and it's Renee Montoya. Renee, hey guys. Hey Renee. What have you been doing? I'm at the police station, just doing stuff. And anyways, thank you for accepting the invitation, Harley. You're welcome. They would love to see you. Yeah, they would love to see you too. Now I wonder who's next. I'm just kidding. Now, someone just joined in. It's connecting to Otto. It's the last person. Now we're gonna start off our top. Hi, Victor Zaz. Hey, Harley. But start your video. Okay. Hey there. Hey, Harley. Hey, guys. Hey. Now, let's start off our topic. Okay. I got the food ready. Thanks, Cassandra. You joined me. So, now, our Zoom is about to be about COVID-19, okay? We all know the coronavirus entered in, and we've been bored doing nothing, right? Yeah. So, so we've been watching too much me and Cassandra, we've been playing with our dogs, taking our dogs to the walk, and that stuff. Oh, okay, that's good. Thank you, Huntress. I appreciate that. Now, I've only been doing is a bit bored. And Mr. J has been bored too. I'm not with him anymore. We know, Harley. Yep, that's right. Now off to you, Huntress. I'm on my walk. yeah, I'm not getting too close to other people. Phew. I'm done my walk, so my house is next by, so I'm gonna head back to my homes, okay? Don't forget to hand sanitizer. Yep. Thank you for reminding me, Harley. Oh, you're welcome. Has anyone else have questions or 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 comments? Okay, no. Okay, no. So, I think we should fight back for for coronavirus, saying I've heard that they were been using vaccine. Saying, yeah, Roman, saying. Renee, what have you been doing? We've been doing case files and that stuff to catch up bad guys. Ooh, that's fun. Yeah, right, Harley. Um, let's do. Um, does anyone have questions about social distancing or limiting? Oh, I have a question about limiting. About limiting because people. Why did I do it? Because to see how much people, because they don't have a lot of people during this COVID-19. Oh, right. Up to you, Victor. Okay, so what I have been doing is since I can't go over to Roman's house, which we most likely do every day, we can't go there during this COVID-19 unless if it's an emergency or something. Yeah. I feel bored for that. All I've been doing is just maybe playing video games, and I've been eating out and that stuff. So yeah. Oh, that's good. Thank you, Hunteress. Hey there, aren't you ain't supposed to eat right now? Eat. Don't worry about that one. Okay, guys. I feel bored. We can't do nothing. I agree. Me too. And me three. So, yeah. First, you have to do your... First, we have to do something fun. First, we need to do something, exactly. The doctors haven't figured out the cure, so technically, yeah. Okie dokie. So we've been trying to figure out some tests for our things, and now all we just need to do is just figure it out. I mean, we've been staying at home all day. Yeah, saying, guys. I mean, that's just not right. But I mean, yeah, but for coronavirus, according to because it started in China, but it wasn't their fault. Yeah, it wasn't. That's right. Then and it infected others and others and others. Right? Yep. Did you notice that you can also die from coronavirus? You can. Yeah. Because it also came from China. That virus. Yeah. I hope it's over. Me too. Yeah, they'll figure out the cure. I swear they will. Did you notice that Lysol can kill coronavirus? Yes! That's what they need, but they can't use that. And at that, you'll die. I know. Guys, I know. But they've been using vaccine, and it's not gonna work. Yeah, it's not gonna work. It is really not gonna work. Yeah, I've been bored doing nothing. All we've been doing is just playing for hyenas and going out to walks. Right, Harley? Yeah. Yeah. A lot of people are bored these days. Yep. So, we're about to end our Zoom meeting in a minute, right, Harley? Yeah. Yeah, we are. Yeah, I think so. But once we figure it out, then we will just finally go out to places, chat with friends, and all other stuff. So I'm ending this Zoom meeting. Bye. Bye.